Cold patching uses material that can be applied straight from the bag at ambient temperature, while hot patching involves heating the binder and aggregate before application. Cold tar patching is a premixed compound that contains a cutback or emulsion binder and sized aggregate, so it is ready to place and compact with hand tools. To use it, remove loose debris and standing water, undercut the hole slightly to create a firm seat, fill the void in layers no thicker than 2 inches, and tamp each layer firmly with a plate compactor or heavy hand tamper until the material is seated and flush with the surrounding pavement. Cold mixes cure by loss of volatiles and gradual binder setting, so they are best for small to medium potholes, temporary repairs, and areas without access to heating equipment. They tolerate cooler temperatures but require thorough compaction to avoid future raveling. Hot tar patching uses a heated hot mix asphalt or hot rubberized binder that must be kept at specific temperature ranges, typically between 250 and 350 degrees Fahrenheit depending on the binder, and it is applied with wheelbarrows, shovels, and mechanical spreaders, then compacted immediately while still plastic for a dense, long-lasting repair. For hot work, you need an asphalt melter or plant, heat-stable containers, and safety gear including heat-resistant gloves and eye protection. Preheating the hole and spraying a tack coat improves bonding and reduces reflective cracking. Choose cold for rapid, low-cost fixes and safety where equipment or power is limited, and choose hot when you need structural performance, especially on heavily trafficked roads where durability and waterproofing are critical. Always follow manufacturer temperature windows, ensure proper aggregate gradation and compaction, and allow appropriate cure or cooling time before opening the repair to traffic. The 3 most common mistakes are inadequate surface preparation, improper compaction, and wrong material choice. If you skip cleaning and undercutting the hole, the patch will debond and pop out. So always remove loose material, dry the cavity, and create a firm vertical face before placing material. Undercompacting leaves voids that trap water and accelerate failure. So compact in thin lifts with a plate compactor or heavy hand tamper until the patch matches the pavement density and profile. Choosing cold mix for a high-traffic structural repair will give short life, so select hot mix for heavy axle loads and porous or seasonal freeze and thaw climates where long-term performance matters. We run BigHomeProjects.com to help homeowners find trusted local contractors and to help contractors find work through our listings and project connections. We also host an active discussion community where members share experience, ask questions, and compare methods like cold versus hot patching so everyone can make better repair decisions.